So in this question here, we've got 4 probability questions to answer. We want probability of B given A has already happened, the probability of A given that not B has already happened, probability of A given that B has already happened, and the probability of B given not A has already happened. So 4 similar looking probabilities, but kind of twisted round a little bit. So conditional probabilities is what we're looking at. And we're given probability of A is 0.45, probability of B is 0.3, and the probability of A intersection with not B is 0.2. And I've got this Venn diagram drawn out, and we're going to sketch in our results in here to try and get us our answers to this. So first of all, I'm going to write up here how we work out probability of B given A has already happened. So what we want for that is the probability of B intersection A over probability of A. And then we're going to put our numbers in there and see what we come to. And we'll have a similar thing going on with these conditional probabilities. But first of all, before I come to this one, I'm now going to try and fill in my Venn diagram. So probability of A is 0.45. So that's the whole of this circle. We'll come to 0.45. Probability of B is 0.3, so there's 0.3 in there. So ideally we want to find this intersection. That will help me work out what my leftover will be. But I've got this one here. Probability of A intersection with not B is 0.2. So not B, that's be anything that's not contained in there, but contained in A. So here it's 0.2, so then that means that this part here is 0.2. So with that, I'm now in a lucky position where probability of A is 0.45, so this remaining bit here must be 0.25. And with that, I can now calculate probability of B. So if that's 0.3, I've got 0.25 here, this is 0.05. So with that, I can also calculate what's in my set here that's not contained in B, which will be 2, 45, 50. So this bit here will be 0.5. So that will be contained outside of my circles. So what can I do now? I think we're ready now to fill in with this. Probability of B intersection A. So that's 0.25. And probability of A, well, that's 0.45 as given here in the question. So 0.25 divided by 0.45, that will give me 5/9. So that's my answer to the first one. Let's have a look at the second one. So that will be probability of A intersection with not B over probability of not B. So A intersection not B, that's given in our opening values, that's 0.2. And probability of not B. Well, I know what probability of B is, it's 0.3. So the probability of not B is 1 minus that. So that will give me 0.7. So if I do 0.2 over 0.7, my probability will be 2 over 7. And that would take care of that. Now let's have a look at this one. It's kind of the twist round of this one. So they're not necessarily the same answer, so we've got to be careful. So probability of A intersection B over probability of B. So A intersection B is the same as B intersection A. So that's 0.25, same as in this one. And probability of B, that's 0.3. So then that will simplify to 5 over 6. So you can see they are not the same value. And then the last one is probability of B given that not A has already happened. So then that one will be probability of B intersection not A. So different to this one, and the probability of not A. So B intersection with not A. So not A, but intersecting B, that just leaves me with a 0.05. And the probability of not A, that's just basically 1 minus this one. So probability of not A is 0.55. So put that in there, and then that will simplify to 1 over 11. And then that's my 4 probabilities completed for this set of questions. Okay.